Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter sentence and types of sentences. Today we will understand how to convert a complex sentence into a simple sentence. Okay. So a complex sentence can be transformed into a simple sentence by contracting the subordinate clause into a word or a phrase. So how you can convert a complex sentence into a simple sentence? By contracting it, means by reducing it. What you have to reduce, as I have told you that there is a dependent clause and a independent clause. So what you have to do, you have to reduce dependent clause to a word or a phrase. Okay. So he said that he was innocent. Okay. So that he was innocent is what? Is a dependent clause. So what you have to do, you have to contract it, you have to reduce it. Okay. So he pleaded his innocence. This is what? This is a simple sentence. Second one, he died in the town where he was born. Okay. So where he was born is what? Is a dependent clause. You have to contract it, you have to reduce it. So what you can say? He died in his native town. Okay. This is what? This is a simple sentence. So whenever you have to convert a complex sentence into a simple sentence, what you have to do? You have to reduce the dependent clause. Okay. Now, simple to compound. How you will convert simple sentence into a compound sentence? So, whenever you have to convert a simple sentence into a compound sentence, what you have to do? You have to expand a word or a phrase. Okay. What you have to do? You have to expand a word or a phrase into a independent clause. Okay. What you have to do? You have to expand a word or phrase. आपको क्या करना है? Word और phrase को क्या करना है? Expand करना है, बढ़ा देना है. कैसे? The principal rewarded the boy for his honesty. Okay? So this is what? This is a simple sentence. What you have to do? You have to expand it. You have to increase it. So what you can say? The boy was honest, so the principal rewarded him. Okay? Is it clear? You have what you have done in the sentence? You have expanded the sentence. You have increased the sentence, right? So now we will talk about compound to simple. So how you will change a compound sentence into a simple sentence? You can change a compound sentence into a simple sentence by contracting a independent clause into a word or a phrase. What you can do? You have to contract, you have to reduce independent clause into a word or a phrase. Let's take an example. We must eat or we cannot live. Okay. This is what? This is a compound sentence, right? How you can make it simple? By reducing it, by contracting it. What is independent clause here? We cannot live. So what you have to do? You have to reduce it. So what you can say? We must eat to live. This is what? This is a simple sentence. They were poor and usually slept on footpaths. This is what? This is a compound sentence. Okay. Now you have to change it into a simple sentence. What you have to do? You have to contract the sentence. You have to reduce the sentence by reducing independent clause. So what is the independent clause here? They were poor. Okay. So this is what? This is the independent clause. So what you can say here? Because of their poverty, they usually slept on footpath. This is what? This is a simple sentence. Okay students, so I have told you conversion. So now we will do the exercises A, B, C. These three exercises we have done in the previous lesson. Now you will write down exercise number D and exercise number E. Okay. So I will explain you the exercise. What you have to do? Change the following simple sentence into a complex sentence. What you have to do here? You have to change the simple sentence into a complex sentence. As I have told you just now that whenever you have to change a simple sentence into a complex sentence, what you can do? You have to expand a phrase into a subordinate clause. What you have to do? You have to expand it, means you have to increase it. So the duration of my stay is doubtful. Okay. So you have to expand the sentence. What you can say here? It is doubtful that how long I will stay. Okay. Second, the old man died in his newly purchased house. So again you have to expand the sentence. The old man died in the house which he newly purchased. Your silence aggravates your offense. So now you have to expand the sentence. If you keep silence, your offense will be aggravated. Right? Means if you are silent, then what people will think that yes, you have done that offense. Right or not? Next, I saw a wounded swan. So, what you can say here? You can expand the sentence by saying, I saw a swan that was wounded. Okay? They purchased a big house. Okay? So, again you have to expand the sentence. They purchased a house which was big. Okay? So, this is a way for changing a simple sentence into a complex sentence. Okay? Now, question number E. Convert each of the following complex sentence into a simple sentence. Okay? I have told you just now what you have to do. You have to change a complex into a simple sentence. So what you have to do? You have to contract the dependent clause. What you have to do here? You have to contract the dependent clause. You have to reduce the dependent clause. Let's take an example. As you sow, so shall you reap. Okay? As you sow, so shall you reap. So shall you reap is what? Is a dependent clause. Okay? So you have to reduce it, contract it. What you can say? You shall reap according to your sowing. Okay? Next. He will not attend the class unless he is punished. Okay? So, now what is the independent and dependent clause? He will not attend the class is independent clause. Unless he is punished is a dependent clause. So unless he is punished, you have to contract it. You have to reduce it. What you can say? He needs punishment to attend the class. Next. The runner run wholehearted so that he may win the race. Okay? So the runner run wholehearted to win the race. In the first sentence, so that he may win the race is what? Is a dependent clause. And what you have to do? You have to reduce, you have to contract the dependent clause. So, for contracting the dependent clause, for reducing it, what we have said here? The runner run wholehearted to win the race. Now next. Tell me where you live. What you can say here? Where do you live? This is what? This is a simple sentence. He said the house that he sold the house that belonged to his father. This is what? This is a complex sentence. You have to change it into a simple sentence. What you can say? He sold his father's house. Okay? So, this was the lesson. Hope all of you have understand the lesson properly. What you have to do is that, first of all, you will write down a conversion of a complex to simple sentence. You will write down the two examples. Then you will write down simple to compound sentence. Then you will write down the example. After that, you will write down conversion of a compound sentence to a simple sentence. You will write down the two examples. Okay? After that, I have told you exercise number A, B and C in the previous video lesson. After that, you will write down exercise number D and exercise number E. Okay? With a black pen and a blue pen. Okay, students? Thank you.